Yo, what is up, boys? Welcome back to yet another Minecraft video. Today we're going to show you how you can install Crazy Craft updated here on Minecraft. This is one of the most iconic mod packs ever created, and the classic version, which we actually just made a video on, ran on a much older Minecraft build, and it's now been upgraded to a more recent version of Minecraft with common updates. In fact, I believe it was actually updated just a few days ago as I'm making this video, but this updated version brings a ton of new content from custom biomes to custom mobs, different structures, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can download it. But before we do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel, and we'd greatly appreciate it. First things first, if you are in Minecraft, go ahead and close out of it, because what we're going to install first is actually this CurseForge launcher right here. Now, if you already have the CurseForge launcher, you can actually skip this first step, but if you don't worry, because what we're going to do is open up a web browser of our choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome, but you can use whatever you would like. And essentially search up curseforge.com. You'll see this little Get CurseForge app thing up at the top. Click on that and then hit download standalone. And what it's going to do is start your download process. Just click on this installer right here and go through these next couple steps and you'll be good to go, and it's going to automatically launch. Once it launches, it should look something like this for you. Go ahead and select Minecraft, and then from here, hit this little browse section, and what you're going to want to do is actually just search up Crazy Craft and hit enter. You'll see this Crazy Craft updated section right here. Simply go ahead and click on that, and then hit install right here, and what it's going to do is automatically start installing for you. Now keep in mind, you are still going to need Minecraft alone. This is not like a standalone thing. You do need to have Minecraft purchased in order to run this. So make sure you do that, and there'll actually be an option when you go to launch this to sign into your Microsoft account. So once again, just make sure you have Minecraft. Otherwise, this is not going to work. But essentially, what this is going to do is download this for you, and it might take a little bit of time just depending on your internet speed. So I'm going to go ahead and cut to when this is done. Once it finishes downloading, it should look something like this for you. You'll have a play option here, but if you click on this little Minecraft thing again and go to the mod packs, you'll also see it in here. You simply just have to hit play on this section. If you're not already signed into your Microsoft account here, it's going to actually launch not only this dashboard here, you can actually minimize that, it doesn't matter, but it's going to launch the Minecraft launcher here. Just make sure you sign in and then just simply hit play up at the very top. Tick this little box here, hit play again, and it'll start launching you into the game. Now, as you can see, it has started loading Minecraft up for me. Once again, the first launch of this is always kind of tough. It is downloading so much stuff. This is a huge mod pack. So if it seems like it's taking a while, that's why. Don't necessarily worry about it. I'm actually going to make it just a little bit bigger here. But once it does launch for you, it should look something like this. You'll have this custom menu and everything. It looks pretty cool overall. I actually don't like it as much as like the original Minecraft one though. But essentially, I'm just going to create a single player world. I'm going to put it in creative just to showcase that this does work. And there we go. We are now loaded into Crazy Craft. Now, Crazy Craft is by far one of my favorite mods of all time. There's just so much going on in it, just like all the time. But once you get loaded in, you'll notice a few different things. You'll notice that mobs obviously hit a lot harder. It's just a harder game overall. You'll also notice that food gets consumed faster. There's a ton of new mechanics. There's going to be like cold weather effects, a bunch of powerful bosses, custom dimensions, and unique items. It's pretty sick. Just look at this biome that we're in right now. It's absolutely awesome. But that is how you can download and install, as well as play Crazy Craft Updated, either solo or with friends. If you do have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to help out every single one of y'all and respond to you. If this video did help you out though, make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more awesome Minecraft content. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.